In this video, we will show you how to replace your idle air control valve on this Ford Ranger with a 2.3 liter engine. This will be located along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Along the side of your intake, you're going to find your idle air control valve. You will have an electrical connector and two mounting bolts. Let's start with the electrical connector. The electrical connector, you'll have to squeeze in on the locking tab along the top and pull it out of place. Once you have that disconnected, go ahead and give it a quick inspection for corrosion and you can set the wiring harness aside. Now before we can start removing the mounting bolts, let's remove this tube from the top of the valve cover. This has a locking tab, we'll squeeze in on that and pull it out of place as well. We'll just give this a quick inspection. There's our little locking tab right there, you just want to pull on it. We'll set that aside. At this point, you have clear access to your two 8mm headed bolts. Go ahead and remove the pair and the idle air control valve from the vehicle. Inspect your mounting hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. Remove the valve and the gasket from your intake. There it is, friend. The next thing we'll do is clean and inspect the mounting point. Make sure nothing fell inside of the intake. And now we can get ready for our installation. Let's start with the gasket. Go ahead and put that in place into the intake. Press it in, and then we'll continue on with our idle air control valve. Double check to make sure it's seated properly. Let's install that brand new idle air control valve. Get this in position. Start in both of your mounting bolts, snug them up, and then torque those to 89 inch-pounds. Let's get this line on here. Press it down, listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured, and we can continue on to our electrical wiring harness. We'll take that, press it in, listen for a click from that as well. Okay friend, we fully installed our idle air control valve. At this point, hop in the passenger compartment, start up your vehicle, let it run for a little while. Make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.